Hi, if my CoderZ videos have helped you, please consider subscribing to my new YouTube channel that I'll share at the end of this video. Thank you. Challenge Missions 2. Mission 2, Side Sonic 2. Let's try this one out. Okay, so they always tell you to check to see how far away something is using the controller. So this green block is 61.8. So if I had a notepad, I could write it down. Green blocks 61.8 away from path. And the red blocks are how far away from the path? 18.3 away from the path. So if I forget, I'll have it right there. So, okay. What do I have so far? I have drive power forward. Let me just run this that I have here. Okay. Let me just start over from scratch. Obviously that didn't do anything. Okay, so right off the bat, the right ultrasonic sensor, it senses that there's nothing really close to me. So okay, so what I want to do is drive forward until the gyro, no, not the gyro sensor, get rid of that, until the ultrasonic sensor on the right can sense something that is, let's see what this green one says, 61.8 away from the path. Something is less than or equal to or greater than, 61, oh that's less than, 61.8 degrees. I'm going to start turning to the right, and I'm going to copy this code that I had over here because it seemed to work really well for the right turn. So I'm going to do drive power 100 with a steering of 30 because it needs to be positive for turning to the right. Let me copy this, duplicate, put 30 there, and I used another, I used a gyro sensor with less than negative 90, of course, because I'm going to turn to the right. Put less than negative 90 right here. And then what did I do after that? I just did a drive power forward so I can get to the block. So let me try that. Okay, so far so good, right? Now, now I'm supposed to back away. So I'm going to go ahead and do a drive power forward, and then until I am less than or equal to, oops, that's a gyro, until the front sensor, no, not left motor, wait until front ultrasonic sensor is equal to or greater than a distance of, how far away was it? 61.8 away from that green block, and then I'll get to a speed of 0, right? I think that's what I'm doing here. Maybe this should be backward, because I'm going to go ahead and turn and then drive backwards, right? No. Let me just leave that again. That's as much as I had, right, before I started adding. Once it gets there, that's after turning, and then it goes forward. And then it's going to go forward until, no. And then after that, it needs to go backwards. So let me do 100 here. Oh, actually, no, that's not going to do anything, right? It's going to go forward indefinitely. That's why I had put a 0 here. No, I had put this one here. And then it's going to start driving backwards. No. Okay, hold on. What did I have over here? Over here, I had a drive forward. I did the turn. Okay, drive forward with only, less than 5 on the front. So drive forward, less than or equal to 5 here. That's what I did to get just, really close to that green box. And then after that, a drive backwards with a 100 here. So that is going to get me to just walk backwards, and then I'll just keep going from there. Okay, so I'm going to walk backwards, and then I'll go ahead and try this one until I am a distance of, I guess, greater than or equal to 61.8. At which point I'll want to stop, right? So I'll put 0 here. Good. Okay. That might work. So after that, I will need to turn to the left. So I will go ahead. Let me see. I've never used brake. Let me see if what that does. Does it really do anything? Adding a brake there? I saw it earlier and I was just like, I gotta try it, but it just disappears. I guess I'm not supposed to use it yet. It doesn't really do anything. After that, it just stops there, and then I need to turn to the right. So drive power 15, then I do steering, I do positive 100 right there, and then I will do a gyro, except I used the gyro up here, so now I need to gyro reset before I use the gyro again. So then, I need to turn to the left, so this is going to be negative 100. I need another gyro sensor, move it down here. I'll need this to be greater than positive 90. And then, let's see, I will need to, let's see, drive power 15, and then I would need to go forward, and then maybe I can just, here, at that point, I can just repeat everything a few times, I hope. Oh, I do want to get different colors in there, so I'll do random, and then add all of this. I'm going to repeat this twice, and hopefully it works. Let's try it. I know it's not going to get me to the end, but if it can get me to that second block, that would be great. Oh, no. Okay, great. Okay, so I keep going. So what am I doing wrong? Let me just run that. Great. Thanks for not pausing. Oh, let me get rid of these. They're not doing anything, it's just, you know, want to keep things somewhat clean. Let's see. So here I turn to the left 90 degrees, but then I need to make it stop after it reaches those 90 degrees, so I'm going to put 0 there. And then it'll be facing forward. Now, if I repeat all of this, it would be drive forward until something is, this is greater than. Drive forward until something is greater than or equal to. Now, why did it go into that block? If it's greater than, why would it go into that red block? I don't understand. See, I really don't understand why this would work that way. Let me move this. I'm kind of confused. I guess I'm not understanding exactly how the... Again, it all comes down to me not getting how the ultrasonic sensor works. So here, it did that first part okay. And at the beginning, it drives forward, and the right ultrasonic sensor can see a distance of something that is equal to 61.8 degrees or greater than or equal to 61.8 degrees, and at that point it starts turning. So once it all does all that and it gets repeated, it starts going, oh, do I need to walk forward slightly? Is that why? Maybe I add a drive power forward for, I don't know, 500 here? And then have it get repeated? Because technically, I mean, as long as it's, if you walk forward after coming back here, and you walk forward slightly, you're still in front of that green box, right? So if I walk forward a little bit until I'm in front of the red box and then repeat it, maybe that'll work out better. So let's try 800 here. Maybe I'll land right in front of that red box. And then I'll go ahead and try to repeat it. Okay, press U, and that has me in front of the red box. So let me go ahead and now try to wrap all of this in repeat and see if it works, having added that little bit of drive forward. Oh no! Why? Why would it work any different this time? I don't understand. Do I need another? I do need it, huh? I need another gyro reset down here. Let me try that. Ah, great. So far, so good. Let's do 4 here. I know it's gonna mess up in the end, but I can at least do 3 and then figure out how to end it. Oh no, I might touch that next red block. No? Okay, good. Oh, great. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do 3 here. Stop that. And then I'll pick up from wherever it, drops off. Okay, so here I'll just drive forward. I'll add steering, so I'll turn to the right. Actually, I'll add duration. No, I'll add steering, not duration. And I'll steer to the right a low number, like 5. No, I'll do like 15. No, it's 20. And hopefully I don't crash into that last red block. And it hopefully gets me to the target. Let's see how this goes. Honestly, I'm kind of like... I think I'm going to do 1 video per... let's see. 1 video per mission, because this is... Okay. So then I got here, but I think I wanted to add a drive forward for a little bit before it starts to turn. So let me set duration. I'll drive forward for maybe 400 seconds before it starts to turn. I mean, not 400 seconds, but, a tiny piece of 1 second. Oh, great. And it didn't take away any points. Good. Oh man. Okay, so that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Again, if you want to see more of these, like and subscribe. I know, like I said, they're not perfect, but I'm just trying to get through them. By the way, I'm starting a new YouTube channel called Free Games Guide, where I'll cover free games that you can find online. Again, they're completely free. You don't have to pay anything. I do plan on covering, cheap games. That's why I put covering free or cheap games. And the videos will be super short, probably 5 minutes or less. Please check it out. And thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.